Nigel, leave it. We're at the dog park. We're at the dog park, and here's Nigel. And all the puppies. We're actually in the field during social hour at Camp Dogwood. And all the puppies get to socialize. We split everyone up in 3 fields. Little dogs on one, and big dogs on 2 others, and oh, we got a chase going. Nigel! Nigel! Come! Good boy. Sit. Nice job, buddy. Good boy. Stay. So he has to stay, even though he really wants to play and chase. Nigel, stay. Nigel, down. That's a good boy. Fun social time. Nigel? Okay, you can get up. Okay. I'm going to get you. You better go. Yeah. Good boy. Going to chase. And now he's running again. Running. Puppy's running. Nigel! Come! Call him back. Sit. Sit. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Nice. Good job. Nice job, buddy. Good. That's a good recall off a play, buddy. Okay, you can go play again.